Australian Lumberjack Cake. Ingredients: 2 apples large peeled cored finely chopped, 1 cup of dates chopped, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 cup of boiling water, 125 grams of soft butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of caster sugar, 1 egg, 1½ cups of plain flour. Toppings: 60 grams of butter, ½ cup of brown sugar, ½ cup of milk, 2/3 cup of shredded coconut. Grease and line a deep 23 cm square cake pan. Combine the apples, dates and bicarbonate of soda in a bowl. Add the water and leave for 10 minutes. Beat butter, sugar, vanilla and egg until light and fluffy. Add butter to apple mixture and fold in flour. Pour into a prepared pan and bake in a moderate oven for 50 minutes. Topping: combine ingredients in a saucepan and stir until butter melts and sugar dissolves. Remove the cake from the oven and carefully spoon topping mixture over the cake. Return to oven and bake for further 20 minutes. Stand cake for 5 minutes before turning onto a wire rack to cool.